Hey guys, it's the veranda girl.
Hey.
Hey guys,
Hi.
we're just here.
Hi.
So we're holding a contest between all of our subscribers.
Yeah. Pretty tough competition.
You could say that again.
It's alright, I'm just thinking about my last time, all the candy I got. Send us a picture of yourself in your outfit.
And yeah, the winner gets $100,000. So definitely send it in.
And a pound of almond milk.
Mm-hmm. A pound, because that's how you measure liquids. So
It comes frozen.
Happy Halloween.
We love you all.
If you can't tell. So here are your. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Here are some ideas for you to wear.
Funnel.
You could be a frosted flake.
Duck. Veterinarian.
A cleaning lady.
A football. A bed.
A rug.
A flag. A thumb. An ear. Happy Halloween.